What's up, everybody? This is Lexus King. This is the Dad Bod Guy, 1/4 of the Rash Squad, and we got a YouTube channel, KOE, Kings of Experience. This is a family channel centered around motorsports. I read a DM, and it was a DM from a company called Auxito. Auxito is an LED company. Well, actually, they're not. I actually checked their website. They do a lot more than the LED lights, but they wanted me to review some LED headlights for one of the vehicles on the channel. So we've got a set. I've got quite a few vehicles, quite a few motorcycles. We've got some pretty good headlights on all the vehicles because we need to see quite a bit. It's actually only about 5 o'clock right now. Lately, this winter solstice has been getting really dark really quick on every single car. Actually, on the track cars, I have LED headlights on all these cars right here. All the other cars over there have HIDs, but the reason I put the LEDs in our standard bulbs is because you want that look. You want the visuals of a really bright bulb. So we got one vehicle that does not have headlights on them, and that's the vehicle that we're going to be utilizing these Auxito light bulbs for. So again, I checked their website. They got all kinds of cool things. Tire pressure inflators, battery jumper packs, headlights. It's a wide variety of certain things. They also gave me a code so I can give you guys a good discount, and you can see that code right here. Use that code on checkout so you can clear your basket and get some money off. Let's just get right to it because I'm losing light, but this is the perfect opportunity to kind of show you the difference of the standard headlight bulb, and then we're gonna see what the quality of these Auxito headlights are. So we've got a few trucks. We actually use trucks pretty much for daily driving. Even though we got all these cars and motorcycles, our daily driving activities come from our trucks. This truck specifically we use as a tow rig, and I just picked it up. I haven't done too many things to it yet, but I am going to. Main thing that I did do was take off the foggy headlight and put in some new headlights and fog lights. So this comes as a premium. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install the headlights and fog lights, because when we go do track days, we get up at the crack of dawn. There is no light in the sky, and we travel a couple of hours driving in dark, and we need to see. When it's foggy like it is in the winter, we need to see. So all of these things are gonna come in clutch with these headlights. So let's close this gate right here. We're gonna show you what the standard beam looks like across the gate. This will be able to show you like what the spread is of the standard headlight bulb. And then when we change to these, we're gonna see how the improvement or how much brighter it actually is. So matter of fact, let's turn on the headlight. We'll see how far out it reaches across the street so that we can see like how good the factory bulbs are. All right, so these are just the factory bulbs. You can see kind of, how bright or how not bright it actually is. We're gonna close the gate so we can see what the intensity, what the spread looks like from the headlights. All right, so what you see right here is just the standard spread. That's kind of what it is. We're here in America, so the right side is a little higher than the left side. Left side is our oncoming traffic. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these out real quick, and we're gonna see what that spread looks like with the Auxito bulbs. It's on the ram. There's a little cubby. There's a little nice spot under here, and that gets right to the back side of that headlight. Now let's hope to goodness we don't drop this because we're doing it at such a dark time of day. It's pretty dark now, so this should be great. We're just about done. We're gonna plug this last one in. All right, there we go. Then we're just gonna tuck wires just a little bit. An ease of install kind of just goes by like what your vehicle is. It's just a standard headlight bulb install. And given my application, I have to remove the entire headlight and all that. But I mean, it just goes per vehicle, so. that's pretty much it for this install. And it's pretty cool. I mean, it's comedic how small these gloves are, but it's packaged pretty nice. And then they also give you gloves. If you don't know, you never want to put like your fingers or anything that has oils on your bulbs. It also comes with some, product manual, some zip ties to zip tie it up out the way. As you see, I could have used it, but I've got enough of a pocket to kind of just hide the wiring back in there. All right, cool. So that's complete. Let's close this up. We're gonna start the truck. All right. And let's see what we've got as far as headlights go. That looks pretty good. It's a definite improvement, right? See how much light intensity we got going across the street. Yeah, so that ain't bad. So just like a word of advice, know your vehicle application. If you need to put any adapters or anything to run LED bulbs on your vehicle, look that up. See if you need it, because some vehicles you might actually need a little bit more than the headlight bulb to run them. I really like the fog lights. So again, check Auxito LED lights. You can go to Auxito's website. You can pick up quite a few things: portable compressors, jumper packs, bulbs. They have quite a few things online. And then you could use my affiliate code, let them know I sent you, and that'll give you a discount on all things in your basket. So I think we got to give y'all two, and we out.